Hello farmers. Last time we were talking about how you can start with 2 goats, then increase your number up to this level. If you have 500, you can buy goats of this size, 2 of them. Then as the time goes on, you start increasing your number of goats. So I always love to share information with farmers, especially where farming is involved. If you start with 2 goats, you buy those females and you look for a male. After getting a male will mate with the female. Therefore, after some time or some years, the goats will be multiplying. You know, a goat takes about 5 months for it to give birth. Then again, it takes 6 months for it to start breeding. Then it also takes 8 weeks for it to wean, or for a baby to stop sucking milk. Then it takes about 12 to 15 years for it breeding, or you can just say for 12 kids, or you can go up to 6 years as long as the body is still in good condition. So that's what we do, and that's what we are encouraging our fellow farmers. So we are requesting you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You hit a subscription box there so that you'll be getting more information on goat farming. Thank you. This has been Joshua Mweeka. Thank you. Wishing you all the best, guys.